Hello everybody, it's Eric Freeze, and today we're at a rest stop outside of Snowshoe, Pennsylvania on I-80. And there's something interesting inside this rest stop that I think would be good for a video. I don't want to show off, but just got back from the Jordan Used location. I'm going to go pick up something on the Faceblog ripoff place and then head home. We'll show you what's inside here. I was surprised to see that there is a fan here. We have some nice vending machinery right here. A couple different styles, soda, candy, even more soda, and water, which is surprising. I think this is a water machine. No, it's a coffee machine. Okay, that makes more sense. Last time I checked, there was a machine like that. Also, General Electric Telecron wall clock. That's like the one in my living room, but a bit smaller. But I think this was the one I was talking about. I wasn't talking about, my friend was talking about. And we also have a payphone with dial tone. So that's actually pretty cool. Any coins in here? That's actually really awesome. I was not expecting to see a payphone here, especially one that still works, even has a hook here. So if it's off the hook, you can put it like that. Yeah, I think this is a Hunter Summer Breeze. It's new enough to have the weird triangular thing on it, just here on low speed and downdraft. This is a really nice rest area. I think I might actually check out some more of these PA rest stops in the future. But I think this was the one that Nico was talking about. I'll tag you in the video so you can watch it. Also, the fact that there's a payphone here is really cool. I might have to share this video with the Dylan. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and keep the breeze. I got to get back on the road. But definitely a pleasant surprise here. And you're not allowed to bring your pets.